Dheer beta, still the chapter is pending. No CET. For CET, I'll give you the reminders.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
GM,
morning.
ma'am.
Very good morning. Yes, good morning to everyone.
Morning,
So,
ma'am.
first, I will revise the topic which we have done yesterday. I will ask the questions from you all. Okay. Arush, I will send you yesterday's recording today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, first question based on converting rupees into paise. Now, Shivani, rupees
Yes, ma'am.
5 equals to how many paise?
Ma'am, 500 paise.
Excellent. Moin Kuledi, 10 rupees equals to how many paise?
10,000.
10,000. Tell me fast. 10 rupees equals to how many pesos?
Excuse me, ma'am. I can write yesterday's page.
No, today is the new concept. This is just the revision which I will take in the class. New concept with the new page. Yes, Moin Kuledi, what is 10 rupees equals to how many pesos? Children, if you only write 1000, answer will be wrong. Need to write 1000 paise. P also at the back. Paise short form is P. Got it, everyone? Okay, next is from Astha.
Ma'am, your board
Astha,
is blur.
it will come beta within 1 or 2 seconds.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Astha, 15 rupees equals to how many paise?
Ma'am, 15,000 paise.
1000 कैसे होगा बच्चा? 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. 100 की 2 जीरो जोड़ेंगे 15 के साथ. इट विल बी 1500 पैसे, है ना? Whenever you multiply any number with the number having zeros, that many zeros will be added with that number. So अब इसको हम how we will read Astha?
Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am.
Yes, Astha.
1,000.
1500 paise.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it? Now, Hiya Verma, please tell me your answer. Hiya, turn on your camera, please. Tia, you will not turn off your camera in between. Rupees 8 equals to how many paise? No one will write in the chat box, otherwise, some students are reading from the chat box and giving the answers. Don't write until I will not allow. Hiya, 8 rupees equals to how many paise?
8,000
1000.
paise.
How 1000? Are you multiplying 8 with the 1000?
No.
Then 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa, 2 rupee 200, 3 rupee 300. So 8 rupee equals to how many paisa?
800 paise.
800 paisa. Got it?
Yes.
So rupees to paisa is clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up. Is there any child who is not clear with rupees to paisa? Harsh
No,
Keshwani,
ma'am.
clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now next question is from
Ma'am, I am.
yes, the tell me what you are saying. Rupees and
Yes, ma'am.
paisa into paisa now. Rupees and paise into paise. What does this mean? Who will explain me? Jignesh, will you try to explain me what does this mean? Rupees and paisa into paisa.
Yes, ma'am, you will write. Example is you will write 6 rupees and 25 paise, and we have to convert it 625 paise.
Yes. Here some part is in rupees, some part is in paisa. Together convert them into the paisa. So what you will do, the paisa which is already in paisa, you will not convert that. You will only convert rupees into paisa. Means 6 multiplied by 100 equals to 600
600.
plus 25. So it will be
625.
625
600.
paisa p. Okay. Now, I have already explained you when you are writing rupees 6.25, then you will not write paisa at the back. Means when you are putting the decimal, it is already understood that after the decimal it is paisa. So no need to write the paisa. If you write paisa, it will be wrong. Got it? Now, Mohammed the Momin will tell me the question based on this rupees and paisa into paisa. Mohammed Momin, please give me answer.
In 65 rupees and 50 paisa.
Paisa, always remember in paisa there should be only 2 digits. We cannot say 65 rupees 120 paisa. Why we can't say this? Can anyone explain me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Are.
Ma'am, because it has only 100 number
Yeah, in
and
paisa
after
it is only 100.
there will be 1 rupee.
Yeah, if there is more than 100 or 100, it will be converted into the rupees. तो कभी भी 120 पैसा more than 100 पैसा से कभी भी पैसाज में आपको नहीं दिखेगा. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, more than 100 or more than 99?
More than 99 means 100 or more than 100 you will not get in the paisa. If you are getting 100 also here in the paisa, it will be converted into as a 1 rupee to the rupees. Got it? So till 99 you will calculate in the paisa. If it is coming more than 99, it will convert it into the rupees. Got it? So as Mohammed was telling, 65 rupees, how many paisa, Mohammed Momin?
Ma'am, 45 paisa.
45 paisa. Now
Ma'am,
can you
first you
convert
tell
this?
50 rupees.
No problem. We can change.
Ma'am, 45 paisa, 65 rupees.
So 65 rupees, 45 paisa. So should I write paisa at the back if I am putting the decimal?
Yes, no, ma'am.
No. Now tell me, Mohammed, this is the amount you told. Now convert this into the paisa. How many paisas?
5 paisa.
No, it is 65 rupees 0.45 पैसा. टोटल को कन्वर्ट करना है पैसे में.
Ma'am, can I say?
Vedi, you are late in the class.
Ma'am, can I say Hare?
No, Mohammed only will answer me. Why, Mohammed?
Ma'am, can I say?
Please raise your virtual hand. I will call your names. Wait for that.
Ma'am, multiply by 100.
What to multiply by 100? 65 multiplied by 100 will be 6,500 and the paisa will be added. So it will be 6,500. Yes, it will be plus. So the answer will be 6,545. And I will give you the easy method also how to convert it into the paisa. Remove the decimal. Yes, remove the decimal. Remove the rupee sign. Cut them. 6545. Write the paisa. Direct answer. When it will come in fill in the blanks, you will able to write the direct answers also. Remove rupee sign, remove the decimal, make them together and write the paisa sign. Got it? Your answer will come same.
In the worksheet, I have done like that only.
Okay. Got it, everyone? Can I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you have paisa and you want to convert, no, this is the revision of yesterday's topic. Converting paisa into rupees. Can anyone raise your hand? Can anyone give me the example on this? Arav Apani. Arav Apani, will you try the example? Paisa into rupees.
What, ma'am?
Convert paisa into rupees. Give me example and how to convert it. Tell me.
Three 333 paisa.
333 paisa. Okay. How you will convert it into the rupees?
Ma'am, 3 rupees and 33 paisa.
Excellent. 333 divided by 100. But if you want to write direct answer, the 2 digits will go in the paisa, remaining digit will go in the rupees. So rupees 3.33 will be the answer. Got it? Now next is converting paisa into rupees and paisa.
Ma'am,
Converting.
in yesterday's worksheet, I have written direct answers.
You have written direct answers, it's good, but sir, please give in detail, because I should also know that whatever you are doing, that you understood. Okay, but when it come in exam, you can do with any method, direct also, no need. But when you are doing practice, so better to send me in the detail. Okay. Paisa into rupees, paisa into rupees and paisa. Can anyone try the example on this? Paisa into
Ma'am,
rupees.
what did you tell?
The example which
Ma'am, can I?
the
Ma'am, can
example
I?
which
Ma'am, can I tell?
the
Ma'am, can
example
I?
which Harav Hapani has given was based on this only. The
Ma'am, can I?
Harav, wait a minute, Hare. The example which Harav Hapani has given in the last topic, because last was only paisa to rupees, so it should be round off. For example, it should be 1500 paisa, then only it will answer will come only in rupees, 15 rupees. But when you have some,
Ma'am, it's 1555. Then it's 15
yeah,
rupees 55 paisa.
yes, when it is like this, some part will go in the paisa and some will go in the rupees,
Yes.
then it is rupees and paisa. So this is, if I say 1555 paisa, then you will say 15 rupees and 55 paisa.
55.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please do the worksheet and send me as soon as possible for you, please. Saturday, Sunday, I will check and I will revert you back. Now, I'm going to present the screen to you all. Today's topic is, now you will write along with me. First, I will explain you. Today's topic is addition of money. Addition.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that addition is like easy maths.
Yeah, addition we have done in kilometers, meters, centimeters. That same way addition we will do in the money also. So there will be 2 columns, rupees and paisa.
Ma'am,
Let's
like
see.
we have 20 rupees and we have to give shopkeeper 15 rupees. Then we will do subtraction.
Yeah, addition and subtraction we will do both in the rupees.
Does more than
Let me so we are going to do today addition and subtraction of money. So as Hare was explaining, Hare, why we need to learn the addition and subtraction of money?
Ma'am, because we will go to somewhere, then we have to do oh, like addition of money.
Hmm.
Like we have to buy anything.
Hmm. Buy anything. What can you try with the one example? You have taken some money and you have given some money.
I taken some money and I want a car.
Hmm.
I have gone to shop and shopkeeper. I have 20. No,
Better try
100
with,
rupees.
yeah, okay.
And the
100.
car is of 50 rupees.
Hmm.
I will give 100 rupees note to shopkeeper
Hmm.
and he will pay me back 50 rupees.
Very good. This was the simple that you have subtracted from rupees to rupees. But if sometime it comes in rupees and paisa both, rupees and paisa both means the thing which you have purchased is of rupees, you have taken For example, you have taken a pen of rupees 12, rupees 50 paisa. You have taken an eraser, 4 rupees 25 paisa. Now, if I am asking, the shopkeeper is asking how much altogether, or your parents are asking how much altogether you have spent.
Ma'am,
So,
16 rupees and
Rupees
75
75 paisa.
575 paisa,
16 rupees.
16 rupees. This is
16
the
rupees
this is
75
the
paisa.
when you are doing all together, when you are combining, then you do the addition. And when you are subtracting, when if you have taken 100 rupees, you were having 100 rupees and you have purchased the vegetable of rupees, you were
1000.
having total 100 rupees, 100 rupees 50 paisa you were having, and you have purchased the veg. Is my board clearly visible along with the presentation
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So suppose you have taken 100 rupees 50 paisa to the market, and now your mama told to bring vegetables. The cost of vegetables was 25 rupees, 25 rupees and 35 paisa. So how much amount is left with you now? How much amount is left with you, students?
Ma'am, 25 paisa and
35,
75
25
rupees.
rupees, 25 rupees, 35 paisa.
Ma'am, 125 rupees.
You are adding. I'm asking how much left with you. You have taken to the market 100 rupees.
175 rupees 15 paisa.
Yes. So first you do this. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3, sorry, 4 minus 3 is 1.
Good, ma'am.
Now I have
And
tell on that only.
10 minus 5 is 5.
5.
9 minus 2 is
7.
7. And this will become 0. So 75 rupees and 15 paisa.
15 paisa.
If you are
Ma'am,
writing the
ma'am,
columns rupees and paisa, no need to write rupees and paisa over here. It is
I have
automatically
tell that
understood.
only
Okay.
75 paisa.
Okay. It is not
We
75
have to
paisa,
write
Rupees,
this.
bacha.
rupees,
Arey.
rupees, rupees,
Yes,
rupees.
that is why I corrected you. Now I'm
Ma'am,
going to
we
play a
have to
video.
write this.
No, don't write. Listen the video, then I will give you the sums to do.
Children, let us see how to add or subtract amounts of money. Here I will tell you two methods for adding or subtracting money. In the first method, we convert the given amount of rupees and paise into paise and then add them up as ordinary numbers. Now, convert the sum into rupees. Look at the example shown here.
See, students, this is the example, first method. If something is rupees and paisa, both are there, then you better convert it into the paisa and then you can add or subtract. This is also one method, but the method which is I have explained you on the board is easy method, I think so. Yes? Make the two columns and add. Yes. I will directly show you the second method, which will be easy for you. This is the method. I'm going to on this and mute myself.
For the subtraction of
Viha, sit properly, bacha. And take out your notebook, everyone. and write the topic heading addition and subtraction of money. First, you do the addition. Do these two sums in your notebook. Everyone fast. Fast, everyone. Is the screen visible to you all? Show me thumbs up. Yes, very good. First is we are doing two sums based on the addition. Make the columns the way I have made rupees and paisa, and write rupees in the rupees column, paisa in the paisa column, add them. Children, you know why are we learning money? Why are we learning converting money? Why are we learning adding and subtracting money? These all are applied in this chapter, The Young Sailor.
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling that only.
Because without this, the calculation and running a business is not possible.
Ma'am, we have to try the same method on the screen.
The method I have done on the board.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to minus or plus? Ma'am. Addition.
Ma'am,
Yes, sorry, my mic was mute. Yes, say.
for first method I have done my own.
Own in how?
Ma'am, first I have done.
like I have in C.
Let me pin you. Yeah, rupees and paisa. And please put a line between rupees and paisa so it will look neat.
It is okay.
It is okay, but put a divide line in rupees and paisa so that it will look neat.
Ma'am, see.
I am not better. Write it fast. Yes, write fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we are doing subtraction, so why you have write up addition?
We are doing addition only. Are you sleeping, bacha?
Ma'am, yeah. Ma'am, we are doing.
No, before that we have done addition. This is subtraction. Both are we doing, right?
Okay.
Before this, and the board which is showing the screen, which is showing the base two sums based on the addition only. So here you need to do the sums which are there on the screen, not on my board. Are you clear here? Yeah. Please,
Ma'am, I have done addition.
please do the sums which are presentable on the screen.
Sums done.
So I am, please either take the screenshot because I need to explain you the subtraction also.
Ma'am, done.
After addition, put a subtraction heading, subtraction of money, and be ready.
Then my second one is too easy.
Very good. So children, in addition, there is no difference whether you write the big number up or the small number up. But when you do subtraction, it is compulsory to write the big number up. Then only it is possible to subtract the number, right? But when you go in higher grades, then you will see कि 5 में से भी 10 possible है subtract करना. How? Then you will learn in the higher grades. But till here in the middle school, in the primary school, you will learn only from the higher number. You will able to subtract the small number. Means 10 minus 5 is only possible. You cannot possible 5 minus 10. From 5 you will subtract 10. It is not possible. Can I move now? Can I change the screen, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please be little
Ma'am.
fast or take the screenshot, bacha. Be little fast or take the screenshot. Is the screen visible to you all? The screen which I am showing you on the presentation screen is visible? Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Lord.
Yes, ma'am. Proper.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if in rupees there is 4-digit number, then what we will do?
In rupees there is 4-digit number. No difference. Rupees में तो कितने भी digit number हो, है ना? Only compulsory that in paisa there should be compulsory 2-digit only. But in rupees that as many as digit it can be.
Then how we will do that addition?
Can you give me one example? I will do it in front of you now.
Okay.
Give me
4,444.
4,444 rupees.
Yes. And
And
paisa is 99.
and for the next
And rupees 5,675.
paisa
98. Now how we will do?
add, no? 9 plus 8.
Plus 8. 18.
9 plus 8 is 18.
No, 17. 17.
909.
19.
909. 9 plus 9,
10
19.
plus 9, 18.
Array, first of all, you please, yeah, the add one is a separate thing. Just now I am asking 9 plus 9 is what?
9 plus 9 is 18.
Plus 1.
19.
So it is coming 197, which is more than 100 paisa. In
Yes.
this case, what you will do, you will subtract the 100 from here. 97 will be here. And that 100 which you have subtracted will go in the 1 rupee here. Got it?
Now there
Yahan
will
to
be
90. Yeah, now add them. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1, 10.
10.
7 plus 1 is 8.
No,
9,
12.
10, 11, 12. Then
Then 11.
11. Then
Then 10.
5 plus 4 is 9, 10. Got it?
Yes.
So the answer will be this. 10,120 rupees 97 paisa.
Okay.
Got it? जब 100 से more than आ जाता है पैसे में, so you subtract the 100 from the paisa side, convert it to the 1 rupee in the rupees column. Got it, Hare?
Yes.
Arth, are you writing in your notebook, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will move, bacha. Now
Ma'am,
we will
I-
move to the subtraction. Now we will move to the subtraction.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, if there is more than if it was more than 90, 19, so at the up it, if it will come 2, so how we will subtract it, and
I am not clear. What are you saying?
I'm saying that if instead of 19 more digit comes, so
19.
yes,
19.
Yes, ma'am. 19.
no, ma'am.
So,
I'm saying the first digit of the answer. No, ma'am.
first,
Paisa.
huh?
Yes, if there come 28, so we will do 2 minus 1, 1. So it will be 3 digit, no?
2 minus 1, 1 means? I'm not getting still.
I'm just giving an example.
She is
Uh-huh.
telling that
Instead of
Dhwani,
7
wait.
will become
Dhwani,
20.
wait. Let me explain the subtraction, then you will wait. I will clear your doubt, okay? Because others are waiting, no?
For the subtraction of money, we apply the same methods. Let us see some example of both the methods. We may buy 4 packets. Multiply the cost. Find the total
Wait.
cost of items, 5 bottles of Coke items. For example, when we go for shopping, we buy a few number of some children. When we go for shopping, when we go for
See, children, why I am doing this? Because I want to explain you the second method only. Okay, because first method maybe you get confused. So second method is this only for the subtraction also. Now I'm going to present the screen and will explain you. Subtract 44 rupees 25 paisa from 68 rupees 75 paisa. So which number will come first? Yeah.
68.70
Eh,
68.75
yes,
rupees.
68.
and 75 paisa.
Because when you do subtraction, only the bigger number will come first. Same way, the second example, 98 rupees, and the second one group is 36.50 paisa. So
33.
subtract. And please do these two sums in your notebook fast. Please do it fast, students.
Ma'am, we have to do in the same page only.
If you have space, you can do it from the same page. Write the heading subtraction.
Okay.
Yes, Dhwani, can you give me the example?
Yes, ma'am. If there is 3,333,
3,000.
3,333.
Hmm.
My point
Paisa is
and paisa is 88.
88.
Minus 4.
You are asking the problem for minus.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Hari said give that example. So answer came 1908. So if instead of 1908, if it came 296, so it will come 3 digit. No.
In the paisa column,
Yes. Ma'am.
suppose if it is coming 290,
Yes.
290 what? 98 suppose.
290.
Then also you subtract 200 from here, from the paisa, make 98 here, and this 200, when go to the rupees, how many rupees will be added here?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. So add it.
Okay, ma'am. So if that is 398, so we will
Then
write
3 rupees.
300.
Yeah.
Okay,
जितने
ma'am.
भी एक्स्ट्रा रुपीज हैं जो भी 298 पैसाज है so 298 paisas is 2 rupees 98 paisa. So 2 rupees will go in the rupees column, only 98 paisa will remain in the paisa column. Got it, Dhwani?
Okay.
Thank you. Children, please write fast. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please write fast.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have done.
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes, yes, no problem. Write fast. Based on the concept which we have done, addition and subtraction, I am going to send you the Google form today. So children, in Google form, you only will write the direct answer. Wait a minute, I will present and show you the Google form also. This is the today's
A test.
this is the today's Google form. You solve this. Is it visible to you all, the Google form?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not visible? Okay.
Just
Once you complete with this, I will present you. Fast complete with the,
Ma'am, I've completed.
yeah, I'm waiting for the others also to complete.
Okay.
Okay, students, can I explain you now about the Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Please be little fast to write.
Done, ma'am.
So children, today you will get the Google form. In that Google form, you will get the addition and subtraction sums. In that sums, what you need to do, you need to solve it in the notebook, and only the final answer you will click in the Google form. Until and unless you will not able to solve, you will not able to get the answers. So let me stop the presentation. Vedi, completed? Okay, now I'm going to stop the presentation. I will show you the Google form in which you need to only click the final answer. So you need to solve it in the notebook the way we have done in the class and click the answer in the Google form. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
No, screen is still presenting. Yes, now this is the Google form. You can see. Yes, I will send after the class.
Yes, ma'am, it's too easy.
It is this, add this plus this. So whatever the answer after adding, click the final answer.
Okay.
Solve this in the notebook first. I am again and again repeating. Solve all the questions in the notebook first. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes.
students. You can leave now. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.